we can't feel it, especially Bojjhanga Sutta, to cure our diseases. When Mahakassapa Thera was sick, Buddha went and recited Bojjhanga Sutta. When Arahant Mugalan was sick, Buddha went there and recited Bojjhanga Sutta. When the Buddha was ill, Venerable Chunda recited Bojjhanga Sutta. Buddha listened the Bojjhanga Sutta and Buddha was cured by listening Bojjhanga Sutta. So we chant Bojjhanga Sutta to cure our diseases, to be healthy person. In Bojjhanga Sutta, there are 7 qualities that the person must be developed, those who hope to attain Nibbana.